present today's news. Here is Rakshita. Here is Alekia with English news.
Headlines: Hindustan offers most readable news in sports, business, featuring national and international news. Sweden set to become Europe's first smoke-free nation. International news: The US deployed a nuclear submarine in the Middle East as the Persian was intensified. Pakistan deployed another 6,500 Afghan refugees back to Afghanistan to bring the total to 1.7 million.
प्रदूषण रोकने की जिम्मेदारी राज्य सरकार की है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट। बस्तर के मतदाताओं ने जमकर मनाया लोकतंत्र का पर्व। भारतीय सेना पाक चीन सीमा पर बढ़ाएगी सुरक्षा। నేటి వార్తల ముఖ్యాంశాలు. తెలంగాణలో బీజేపీ ముఖ్యమంత్రి చేస్తామని నరేంద్ర మోడీ ప్రకటన. పెద్దపల్లి మండలాన్ని మంత్రి ప్రజా ఆశీర్వాద సభలో కేసీఆర్. పాలమూరులో ప్రాజెక్టులో కట్టిందే కాంగ్రెస్ రేవంత్ రెడ్డి. 9 జిల్లాల్లో విన్న ఓమేరు వర్షాలు వరి పంటకు నష్టం. టికెట్ గురించి కాంగ్రెస్లో వెలుతురు 21 degrees Celsius, rainfall 2 millimeters, relative humidity 90%, wind direction northeast, wind speed 5 km/h. Forecast cloudy sky due to depression weather, light rainfall may occur in township. Weather report of Ranchi, the state capital of Jharkhand. Temperature maximum 17 degrees Celsius, minimum 16 degrees Celsius. Rainfall, heavy rainfall occurs with thunderstorms. Relative humidity 44%. Wind speed 13 km/h. Wind direction northwest.
Song is so touching, isn't it?
Yes. Jharkhand is state of gold mines. Here are our friends with conversation on the topic weather patterns, climate, and places to visit in Jharkhand.
Anywhere to go in this long weekend?
I'm thinking to go somewhere, but I am able to decide where to go.
Oh, then why don't you go to Jharkhand?
Can you tell me about the weather and precipitation of Jharkhand?
The climate is very pleasant and during the winter, rainfall is very less. The average rainfall in Jharkhand is above 100 centimeters.
What about traveling in Telangana? Which is the correct time to travel there?
The correct time to travel in Telangana is November to February. But traveling in Telangana is ideal for sightseeing and the average rainfall in Telangana is 138 centimeters.
Okay. Can you tell me about some famous places of both the states, Telangana and Jharkhand, as I don't know much about them?
There are many famous places in Jharkhand such as Dasam Fall, Masanjur Dam and Hazarabad. As similarly, there are many famous places in Telangana like Charminar, Golconda Fort and Salaj Museum and so on.
Oh, this sounds very interesting.
I suggest you to go to Jharkhand and as you can enjoy the view more than Telangana.
Okay, I will be going to Jharkhand in this long weekend. But can you tell me which place should I go first?
I think you should go first to Ranchi and then to other places as it is the capital.
Thank you for helping me to plan my trip.
You are welcome. Happy journey and bye.
Bye.
Past when we have been observing that the differences between Jharkhand and Telangana. Now here are friends to say the similarities between Jharkhand and Telangana.
Both states have a rich tradition of folk arts and performances. Both regions have a preference for rice-based dishes and incorporate local ingredients into their cuisine. Telangana and Jharkhand are known for their traditional crafts. These both states have keen interest in sports. Jharkhand is known for its achievements in sports like cricket and hockey, while Telangana has a strong presence in kabaddi and badminton. Overall, while both states have their unique sporting achievements and cultural expressions and culinary specialties, they also showcase their diversity and richness through these aspects. Thank you.
Now let me invite my friends with a conversation on the topic coal mines of Jharkhand and their effect on water. I'm reading about the coal mines in Jharkhand and Telangana.
Can you tell me about what you have read?
Yes, I can tell you about the coal mines in Jharkhand consist of places like Jaharia in Dhanbad and the biggest coal mine in Jharkhand is Gundalapara which is situated in Bokaro.
What minerals are rich in the state of Jharkhand?
The minerals which are rich in the state of Jharkhand are iron core, iron coal and limestone.
Why is mining so important in the state of Jharkhand?
Jharkhand produces 1/4 of the ore which is necessary for India and it also generates the electricity.
Yes, but isn't all this coal mining polluting the water?
Yes, it pollutes the water. There is a company in Telangana called SCCL which releases pollutants in the water, and in Jharkhand the coal mining produces acid rain which is composed of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide.
Yeah, I agree. Mining coal and water pollution are difficult to handle.
Yes, there are many steps taken by the government.
What are the steps?
The steps taken by the government are there's a government company of a central pollution control board which does not release the water pollutants in water.
Yes, these steps are very good for development of the country.
and conserving the environment are going hand in hand. Thank you. Now let me call up our friends to show the general water conservation technique.
When the run of water flows down through the pipes and goes into the percolation pit, it starts filtering.
What is a percolation pit?
Percolation pit is a water conservation technique. It helps to increase the ground levels of water. Some materials used for making percolation pit is coal, sand, soil, pieces of bricks, etc. Now let us know it step by step.
Pieces of bricks filter minerals. Pieces of coal absorbs the smell of the water.
Fine sand and coarse sand does the work of normal filtering. Gravel separates dust particles and water from water, and water seeps down to the ground to increase the water levels.
Now we are here showing the percolation pit or recharge pit. In some of the states, the corporation or town planning officials will not give permission to construct house unless until they show a design of percolation pit in their house plan.
States may be different, but nature is same. Conservation practices are same. Their main motto is to use natural resources judiciously and conserve them. We can say think global and local. Thank you. Here is our friend to say some slogans on Save Water. Good morning. Save water, save earth, preserve water, preserve life. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed our activity. Thank you.